We're bringing the car into the garage today, so we're gonna get some stuff taken care of. Hey guys, what's going on? Bringing you another video today on the channel. So, got you the updates. So we got some products this afternoon for the transmission. We're going to be going with some Mobil 1 ATF full synthetic transmission fluid. So here's the fluid we're going to be going with. It was recommended to get 4 of these because we need it for 3.65 quarts. So we got some motor mounts. Got a belt serpentine tensioner and got everything needed. So we're gonna get the new computer on, the new clutch parts, throwout bearing, flywheel bolts, backup throttle body just in case needed be, an old harness, the mufflers, got some spark plugs in there, got the headlights in the car. Got the air intake also in the car, some other fuel important parts like the fuel injectors, and we're gonna get the car into the garage today, so just hang out. All the heater core lines, fuel injectors, the whole harness, some AC lines, everything in order. Hey guys, so that's going to wrap up videos for today. Remember to hit the subscribe button down below to stay up to date on every upload, and we'll see you later.
Hey, bye-bye.